Right now, the content creation and camera technology space is in absolute turmoil. And if you're a filmmaker, vlogger, action sports shooter, travel creator, drone pilot, or even a casual YouTube uploader trying to make smarter gear decisions in 2026, this is information you genuinely cannot afford to ignore, because two entirely different products, one a delayed next-generation action camera and the other a radically disruptive 360-degree drone, are quietly reshaping what creators should actually be buying, when they should be buying it, and how much money they should realistically be spending. And once you understand what's really happening behind the scenes with release timing, leaked specifications, sensor strategies, pricing psychology, and competitive pressure, you'll realize that most of the surface-level hype circulating online is either incomplete or outright misleading. Starting with the mysterious case of the long-anticipated Insta360 Ace Pro 3, an action camera that many expected to see months ago, but which has seemingly vanished without explanation. A move that at first glance looks like a delay or misstep, but in reality appears to be a calculated strategy built around the surprisingly strong position of the existing Ace Pro 2, a camera that launched in late 2024 and still dominates the traditional action camera market by offering true 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, Leica co-engineered optics, advanced flow state stabilization, and a compact rugged design that has made it one of the most versatile helmet-mounted, bike-mounted, and chest-mounted cameras available today, especially now that its price has dropped well below its original launch cost, making it one of the best value action cameras for creators who need high resolution without stepping into full cinema gear. And the reason this matters is because despite new competitors entering the space, including DJI's Osmo Action 6 with its larger sensor and variable aperture design, none of them have yet fully displaced Insta360's unique positioning in the 8K action camera segment, which gives the company the luxury of time to refine, optimize, and significantly upgrade its next model rather than rushing it out to market. And according to increasingly consistent industry chatter, that next model, the Ace Pro 3, is being positioned not as a minor refresh but as a genuine leap forward, potentially featuring a much larger 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor, improved low-light performance, expanded dynamic range, enhanced AI-driven image processing, more advanced stabilization algorithms, longer battery life, faster charging, and professional-grade video features like 10-bit color depth, HDR and log recording profiles, and higher frame rates at multiple resolutions, all of which would push it into a premium category that blurs the line between action cameras and compact cinema tools, especially when paired with Leica's color science, which is widely respected for producing more natural skin tones, better highlight roll-off, richer contrast, and a more filmic look straight out of camera, something that matters enormously for creators who don't want to spend hours color grading in post-production. And while the rumored price increase into the $550 to $600 range may initially sound steep compared to previous models, it begins to make sense when you consider that cameras with 1-inch sensors and comparable imaging performance often cost well over $1,000, meaning Insta360 may be deliberately creating a new high-end tier while allowing the Ace Pro 2 to continue serving budget-conscious users who still want flagship-level resolution, which leads to the more strategic takeaway that for many creators right now, buying the discounted Ace Pro 2 is actually the smartest move unless you specifically need next-generation low-light performance and advanced color workflows. But while the action camera world is evolving steadily, the drone side of content creation has just experienced a genuine shockwave with the sudden arrival of a 360-degree aerial platform that fundamentally changes how footage is captured, flown, and edited. Because unlike traditional drones that force pilots to choose camera angles mid-flight and hope they didn't miss the moment, this new class of drone records everything simultaneously using dual high-resolution sensors, allowing creators to fly first and decide framing later, a philosophical shift that has enormous implications for travel videography, adventure sports, social media content, FPV-style shots, and even beginner drone pilots who have historically struggled with complex controls. And the reason this matters so much is that by capturing 8K spherical video in all directions at once, a single flight can generate cinematic wide shots, dynamic tracking angles, vertical video for short-form platforms, immersive FPV-style motion, and even pilot-facing perspectives without requiring multiple takes or advanced flying skills, dramatically reducing the barrier to entry while expanding creative freedom. Although this approach does introduce trade-offs such as larger file sizes, heavier processing demands during editing, and occasional stitching artifacts in challenging environments like water surfaces or dense foliage. But even with those limitations, the impact on the market has been immediate, forcing established manufacturers to respond faster than usual. And that response is already visible through regulatory filings and leaked information pointing toward competing 360-capable drones that take a different approach by combining high-speed FPV performance with spherical capture, suggesting that 2026 will become a turning point where creators must choose between ease of use and automation versus manual control and adrenaline-fuel flying, a choice that will define how aerial content is produced across YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and long-form cinematic projects. And when you zoom out and look at the bigger picture, what becomes clear is that we're entering an era where the boundaries between action cameras, drones, and professional filmmaking tools are rapidly dissolving, driven by larger sensors, smarter AI, more efficient stabilization, and flexible post-production workflows that let creators extract multiple formats from a single shoot, which makes strategic buying decisions more important than ever, because chasing every new release is expensive and often unnecessary, while understanding where true generational leaps are happening can save you hundreds of dollars and countless hours of frustration. And the smartest creators going into the next year will be the ones who invest based on actual needs. Whether that's rugged 8K action footage, low-light performance, cinematic color science, immersive aerial perspectives, or fast turnaround social media content, rather than hype cycles, because the technology will always keep improving, but the content you create today is what actually builds your audience, your skills, and your income, making this moment less about choosing the best camera or drone on paper and more about choosing the right tool that fits how you shoot, how you edit, and how you publish, right now.